Behind every medicine, there's research, innovation, and the power to change lives. And if you dream of building a career in healthcare, research, and pharmaceutical sciences, then your journey can begin here. Welcome to the Institute of Pharmaceutical Research at GLA University, where learning goes beyond the classroom and turn into real-world experiences. Here, students can choose from programs like D.Pharm, M.Pharm, B.Pharm, and Ph.D. in pharmacy. With advanced laboratories, experience, faculty, research opportunities, and industry exposure, students are prepared for their careers in pharmaceutical and healthcare industries. And what makes it more special, GLA University is approved by the Pharmacy Council of India and has been ranked among top pharmacy institutions in India with NRIF rank 48 in pharmacy. So if you want to create impact through science, research and healthcare, choose the Institute of Pharmaceutical Research at GLA University.